Della Racecourse Pune, India's first theme-based township in India. Presented to you by Jimmy Mistry. You must be asking, who is Jimmy Mistry? Jimmy Mistry is the founder of our beloved resorts Della Adventures. आप imagine कीजिए, आप चाय के कप के साथ बैठे हैं and from your home you can see the race happening in front of you. That's theme-based township. He's also bringing you branded residences to India. And what's branded residences? Let's find out. Before talking about branded homes, let's talk about something important, and that's design. आप सबने देखा होगा why all of our external facades look so unaesthetic, and why? Why is that? Because I feel we Indians rely on Jugaad, and Jugaad is a silent killer. Jugaad kills systematic ideation and rapid prototyping. Why can't Indians produce cutting edge designs like Italians can? And Chinese are learning designs right now. Why can't we produce a good global design aesthetic brand which is on the global map? How this will happen if we as customers value designs? I've always been told, Sahil, इधर तो यही चलता है, इंडिया में तो यही बिकता है, बीजापुर तो धूल है, मिट्टी है. But that's what our beloved and respected M.V. Patil sir has changed. He has changed the landscape of Vijayapura by planting 1.5 CR trees. And within 5 years, let me tell you, this is going to be a differentiating factor between Vijayapura and Bangalore. People have done that with movies. You have seen Kantara and Bahubali. Rajmouli tells that audience are much more intelligent than we know. If you give audience the right product, they are going to embrace it with open hearts. We have seen it with Mahindra doing it with beautiful cars. Then why can't we do it in real estate? So it's our time to tell to your developer, we need good aesthetic buildings because aesthetic change our emotions. Beautiful cities change our emotions inside us because whenever I go to London, it's blissful. And so we at our Maddy developers have made sure that we are gonna produce beautiful buildings, and that's non-negotiable for us. And that's what Jimmy Mistry is doing with branded residences. Because when you go to Dubai, you see Mercedes homes, Ferrari homes, and whatnot. And that's what Jimmy Mistry is doing in his townships for us Indians.